Hi guys, welcome back to PokeClashBros, where today we'll be opening 2 quick packs of Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. So, there we go, code card. So I started off with a Fighting Energy, Gladion, Staravia, Aselgar, Jigglypuff, Execute, Stuffle, Magikarp, Remoraid, a Reverse Hollow Go-Goat, and a rare non-holographic Miss Magus. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that.
Psychic Energy, Swellius, Gastrodon, Peak and Red Card, Cactinia, Swinub, Angie, Aron, Corfish, Reverse Hollow Pillow Swine.
Oh, and
nice.
a Silver Valley GX. Oh my.
That's
Yeah.
a nice pull.
Yeah, that's one of the... Oh, where's the sleeves?
Rebel GX.
I'm gonna grab the sleeves. Yeah, nice pull that is.
Oh, do you know these energies? These are the energies when you do the game and you need 3 normal energies to use the attack or something.
I think they count as anything. I'm not too sure how to play it. There we go. All sleeved. Ooh, all sleeved up. Silver Valley GX. It's a nice pull. Centering doesn't look too bad.
Condition on it. Nice.
So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to check out our other videos out in the top left and the top right. Please hit the subscribe button, it'd be great support to us and a great help. Yeah, and thanks guys for watching. See you next time.